Hello friends. Today I will share with you Automated Cleanliness, unveiling the top 10 best self-emptying robot vacuums of 2024. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 10. Xiaomi Mijia Omni Robot Vacuum 1S. Revolutionize your cleaning routine with the Omni Robot Vacuum 1S. This intelligent device not only ensures efficient cleaning but also features self-cleaning capabilities, making maintenance a breeze. The smart dirt disposal system, coupled with effective dust collection, guarantees a consistently pristine home environment with minimal effort. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 9. Xiaomi Mijia Self-Cleaning Robot Vacuum Mop 2 Pro B113CN. Step into the future of home cleaning with the Robot Vacuum Mop 2 Pro. Utilizing advanced LDS navigation and an innovative dirt disposal system, it intelligently navigates your space, providing a thorough and efficient cleaning experience tailored to your home. At number 8. New Xiaomi Mijia Self-Cleaning Robot Mop Cleaners. Experience the epitome of cleaning innovation with the self-cleaning robot mop cleaners. Boasting a powerful 2,800 pascals sweeping and mopping capability, combined with smart dust vacuum cleaning, it establishes a new standard for comprehensive home maintenance and automated cleanliness. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 7. New Xiaomi Mijia Robot Vacuum Mop Pro. Elevate your home's cleanliness with the Robot Vacuum Mop Pro. Featuring a robust 3000 PA cyclone suction, rotating pressure washing, and intelligent sweeping, it effortlessly tackles dirt and grime, leaving your living space impeccably clean and inviting. At number 6. Xiaomi Mijia Omni Infinite AI Robot Vacuum Mop M30 Pro. Embark on a new era of cleaning with the Omni Infinite AI Robot Vacuum M30 Pro. This intelligent device not only self-cleans but also includes a unique haircut feature and an efficient emptying system, ensuring a hassle-free and comprehensive clean for your home. At number 5. Xiaomi Mijia Self Vacuum Cleaners Robot Mop 2 Pro. Revamp your cleaning regimen with the Robot Vacuum Mop 2 Pro. Equipped with smart dust collection, an auto-empty dock, and a powerful 4000 PA cyclone suction, it becomes a reliable companion for a thorough and hands-free cleaning experience. At number 4. Xiaomi Mijia Robot Vacuum Cleaner Mop Pro. Take command of your home's cleanliness with the Robot Vacuum Cleaner Mop Pro. Boasting 3000 PA cyclone suction, rotating pressure washing, and intelligent sweeping, it delivers a meticulous clean without the burden of manual effort. At number 3. New Xiaomi Mijia Omni 2 Robot Vacuum Cleaners Mop. Upgrade your cleaning arsenal with the Omni 2 Robot Vacuum Cleaners Mop. Featuring a self-cleaning dock, efficient dust disposal, and a smart base, it transforms cleaning into a seamless and automated process, setting a new standard for home cleanliness. At number 2. Xiaomi Mijia Omni Robot Vacuum Cleaners Mop Smart Base. Simplify and enhance your cleaning tasks with the Omni robot vacuum and its smart base. With features like dirt disposal, dust collection, an auto-empty dock, and a self-cleaning system, it ensures a convenient and thorough cleaning experience tailored to your needs. At number 1. 2024 Xiaomi Mijia Omni 1 SB116 Robot Vacuum Cleaners Mop. Stay ahead of the curve in home cleaning with the Omni 1 SB116 Robot Vacuum. Featuring a self-cleaning empty dock, advanced dirt disposal, and efficient dust collection, it establishes itself as the pinnacle of smart and futuristic home cleaning in 2024.